3 months ago, I tried Japanese study methods and they changed everything. Then I discovered Korean students. Their university entrance exam is so intense that the entire country stops. Planes are grounded. Police escort students to exam centers. These students operate on a completely different level. So I tried their exact methods for 30 days. Here is what happened. Method 1. Study with complete intention. Korean students don't study in scattered bursts. Before every session, they set one precise goal. Not, I will study math, but I will completely master this one concept today. This single shift transformed my sessions. I stopped multitasking. I went deep on one thing at a time, and my retention doubled within the first week. Method 2. Create a study face. Korean students put on a different face the moment they sit down to study. I started doing this literally. Cold water on my face before studying. Specific glasses only worn while studying. Sitting up straight instead of slouching. These physical cues told my brain immediately this is serious time. Within days, deep focus became automatic. Method 3. Study around other focused people. Korean students study in dedicated silent study cafes. Your brain naturally mirrors the behavior of people around it. I started going to libraries instead of studying in my room. The difference in my focus was immediate and dramatic. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your willpower ever will. Method 4. Keep a wrong answer notebook. This is the most underrated technique I tried. Korean students keep a dedicated notebook just for their mistakes. Every wrong answer, every misunderstood concept. They review it obsessively. Most students avoid mistakes because they feel bad. Korean students hunt for them because mistakes are the fastest path to improvement. By week 4, I had eliminated almost every repeated mistake I was making. Method 5. Do a night review every single day. Korean students treat their evening study session as sacred time. Just 30 minutes reviewing everything learned that day dramatically improved how much I retained the next morning. Sleep consolidates memory. Reviewing right before sleep gives your brain the best possible material to work with overnight. Method 6. Train your concentration like a muscle. Korean students systematically increase their focus blocks over weeks. Week 1, 20 minutes. Week 2, 30 minutes. Week 3, 45. Week 4, 60 minutes of pure unbroken focus. By the end of 30 days, I could study for a full hour without my mind wandering once. Concentration is not a talent. It is a skill that responds to deliberate practice. The one thing that tied all of these methods together was having one central place to track everything. Korean top students are obsessive about organization. Their progress is tracked daily. I built a complete student planner in Notion, study sessions, wrong answer patterns, grade progress, daily habits, all in one linked dashboard. When everything is visible, your brain stops feeling overwhelmed and starts performing. Link is in the description if you want it. After 30 days, my grades improved significantly. But more importantly, my relationship with studying completely transformed. Korean students are not superhuman. They just have better systems and better habits. And now so do you.